Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time been broken, beaten down, tasted dirt as I hit the ground. You were there through it all. How far you gonna go before you know what you should have known all along? Now at last I can fall into your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms.
I wonder how long this road goes until our paths collide. Will I recognize your voice as you take my side? How many candles will we burn before we light just one? How I pray you'll hold on till our vows are sung. And I don't know who you are, but I promise you my heart. I don't know when we'll be together singing heart I got up for the letdown. In my bed